You ever get that itch to just vanish off the grid? To take your home and hit the trail without worry? That's exactly what the 2025 Airstream Interstate 24X AWD makes possible. Airstream's first real Class B adventure van built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It's luxury meets off-road capability. Imagine gliding down the highway thanks to a turbo diesel Mercedes 2.0 engine pumping out 208 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque. All-wheel drive air ride suspension and body armor keep you steady on rocky back roads. Plus, you can tow up to 5,000 lbs if you bring a bike trailer or small toy hauler along for the adventure. Step inside. It's like a modern alpine cabin. Red rock decor with marine-grade Simtex seats, oak accents, and a flexible floor plan that converts into the largest bed layout in a Class B. Want twin beds? Or the full 6A the king? You got it. Storage everywhere with aluminum aircraft L. Track walls to secure gear neatly. The kitchen, compact but delivers. A solid surface counter, deep sink with cover, 2-burner propane stove, microwave, and a 5.2 fridge. A freezer lets you cook like you're in an apartment. The wet bath packs a shower, toilet, and sink in one European-style room. Splash-friendly floor, retractable clothesline, exactly what you need after off-road trails or muddy hikes. Power systems are legit. Dual 100 deep cycle lithium batteries, 400 amp solar on the roof, a 2000 W inverter, shore power, and a quiet 2.5 kW LPG generator. You can boondock for days with climate control lights and everything working like home. You've also got built-in outdoor hookups, shower, air compressor, LED lighting zones, awning, folding table mounts. Everything to make camp effortless. Pop the captain's chairs around the modular table or slide it outside when you want to dine al fresco. It's thoughtful design at every turn, safety and tech. Mercedes-Benz systems like adaptive cruise, lane keeping, blind spot assist, camera systems, even active brake assist make this van feel as confident as driving a luxury car. MBUX infotainment with voice control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep everything intuitive behind the wheel. Now, it's not cheap. MRSP is around $265,000 to $288,000 depending on options. But consider that you get Mercedes reliability, $5 in lob towing, off-road ready AWD, comfy accommodations, solar power, and Sage design all in one rig. That value compounds fast. And don't just take Airstream marketing. Real owners share the experience too. Some warn about tight storage for big families. Lack of storage, missing slidey outs makes it less kid-friendly. But praise the shell quality and resale value. Others note that while build quality may slip compared to the past, the signature aluminum body still holds strong and garners attention wherever you park. One fan said of Airstreams, they retain value, but storage is limited and quality has dropped a bit recently. Another added, compared to other brands, they're held to the same standard as Jayco, high quality and iconic style. The bottom line, the Interstate 24X is for adventurers who want Swiss-level refinement on bumpy back roads. It's not camper trailer, it's a mobile studio, base camp, and safe haven all in one. Imagine pulling into a mountain overlook, lowering the air suspension, folding out the awning, making dinner in your galley, then heading to a bed that feels better than most hotel rooms. And in the morning, you roll out, slide your coffee into the aluminum L track, and hit the trail again. No fees, no reservations, just you and the horizon. If you're even half tempted, dreaming of van life but want luxury, capability, and comfort, this one's a serious contender. If this reel got your wheels turning, hit that subscribe button, punch like, and comment below your dream destination if you had one of these. Mountains, desert, deep forests, let's adventure out in style. This is BreaklimitZ, where every ride is about freedom. Catch you next one.